I'm coming y'all live with a review on this cheese steak from the Cheesesteak factory. You hear it? First of all, okay, when you go order it, you're gonna go order this cheesesteak, okay? Don't go in there thinking you're gonna pay about $5, $10. It's $12 and change. But it comes with some fries. It comes with a canned drink. And this bad boy is loaded. You can't see right now because it only half of it. And it has stuff that's coming out the back. But this is a delicacy, okay? I ain't never had one. And I've been there one time. And I got curry chicken. It was a little bit spicy. I don't like spicy food. That's why I ain't been back since. Just because I thought everything they had there was spicy. They got something for the fireball taste buds and for the wimpy taste buds like mine. They got a little bit of everything for everybody. Let me see about this cheese steak, okay? The bread is not crusty. The food is so much in it, it's falling out the back. Like a car with a broke trunk. I mean, falling out the back. Let me put it back in here. That's how much is in here. Tomatoes, banana peppers. I think it's banana peppers. If banana peppers are not spicy, then these are banana peppers in it. I don't know, because I don't need none of them pepper things unless it's greener. Green pepper. Something like that. It's got lettuce in it. I don't even be caring for lettuce on my food because it don't have no taste, but the crunch of the lettuce, the texture is what adds to this classy piece of art. Edible art, okay? Hold up. I gotta breathe and make room because I already ate a lot of it. And I don't want to get so full that the food starts going down into my lungs. And nobody got that.
Aspiration occurs when you spit up formula and it drains into the lungs. It can cause serious problems. To avoid aspiration, elevate your upper body at least 30 degrees during feeding and for at least 1 hour after feeding.
For those of you that take everything so seriously.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Hold up. Let me get a napkin. Because I ain't been to touch my phone. Yeah, like that. This food tastes so good. This sandwich, this cheesesteak, whatever you want to call it, tastes so good. I'm sitting over here trying to figure out whether or not because it tastes so good to make you want to slap your mama, okay? Disclaimer, you should never, ever, ever slap your mother. But I'm just telling you, it tastes so good to make you want to slap your mama that I'm contemplating slapping my mama next week so she can knock me back into this week so I can taste this food again. I'm willing to take the risk.
Are you sure you want to do this, little girl?
Not really, but you know what I mean. All I can say. God is a good God.